Hey guys, welcome to Trapping World. If you want to help support the channel, go to the home page and you know what to do. There's a couple buttons there you can push if you're so inclined. Alrighty, enjoy the show. Stay safe, keep your boots dry. How's it going, guys? Hey, what we're going to do today is we're going to call it the ultimate colony trap. And I'm going to show you all the pieces you need. And then I'll show you how. I'm not going to be able to show you how I put each piece together, but I will. Once it's together, I'll describe how it was put together. And then I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to give you detail about how to build it. But if you don't want to build it, I will be selling these things too, along with my trap boxes, like my Fisher Martin boxes. All right, and you will see how, like, you know, same as with the Fisher Martin boxes, how most of the things that I do and make for myself are made with space saving to try and well, imagine that, space saving to try and save space, but it's for, you know, dragging stuff out. You only got so much room in your sleigh or your trailer when you're quadding, and so these things save a huge amount of space. And I can make them any size. This is going to be this one's going to be 13 inches wide, 4 or 8 inches high. It's going to have 4 doors, and a couple other, you know, key designs. So, all right, I'll start putting it together, and then I'll show you when I'm halfway through, and then I'll turn it back on when I'm done. Okay guys, so here's the colony trap all put together. Now the only thing I didn't do, just for speed, is I didn't wire this right here, and right here, and on that corner there, and on the back corner. And then this angled divider here, it should be wired down here in 2 places at least. Okay, so now here is what you need to make this. So this is, you got her all figured out here. Top and bottom, sides, divider. That's, the dividers are these here between the doors. Then you've got your separator, which is this here. Then your 4 doors and the wings. That's this here. So I'll show you what those are for. You put this in the creek bottom and you block off. I mean, you can block off now, you know, better than 3 feet of creek. Or if you don't need them, you just fold them back like so. Okay? Now the rats come in, open that up. Now, you know how they love to jam themselves in the corners, up here, up here. On a normal submarine trap, you've got 4 places where they can jam. And then the door, or actually on a normal one with only 2 doors, you've got 2 places, and then the trap is shut off. But here, now, they can get jammed up in here and stop this door from working, but then this one still opens up. They can get jammed up into here, the ones on this side. The ones on the other side get jammed down in the bottom, because remember, this here is wired down. And then same with all the, so you've got really 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 or 8 places, depending on how you look at it, where they can get stuck in there with what the trap steel being used. Okay, now here's where the part comes where for time saving or for space. Okay, so you fold these guys back like so. Alright, your doors fall down. This guy lays down flat like that. This one folds up like that. But because I made this, anyways, okay, just a sec, it's just jammed in there a little bit. Just gotta make sure those doors are right flat. Give me a second. Okay guys, so here you go. You've got the thing all, you know, those 5 pieces of wire or 6 pieces of wire taken off, which I didn't have on there, and your whole trap just sits flat like so. You can squish a half a dozen of them together, and then you put them back up and it just pops right back up into shape, and you rewire it up again. Alrighty, so once again, there's your pieces. So if you want to make them yourself, you get yourself one of these J-clip pliers and a good supply of the J-clips. And for cutting this stuff, I use a grinder with a real thin metal cutting wheel, and it does a good job on them. A lot faster than using a pair of side cutters all the time. So anyways, hope you enjoy, and like I said, they'll be for sale. If anybody wants one, I'm going to be making them to order, so I'm not going to be making a pile of these ahead of time. So if anybody's looking for one, just let me know. Okay, catch you later.